beat. String noun 4. Which made all the difference. In a puddle of frozen mud. String noun 6. And initialize them to your favorite nouns. So noun 6. In a world where monarchs rule the world. Let's just say monarchs. Monarchies rule the world. And initialize them to your favorite nouns. Okay, we've got that done. Okay, so our story needs another character to declare a string variable called name2. And initialize it to the value of another name. I'll just say Ruben. Our story requires one number declared an int variable called number and set it to a whole number you like. I'm just going to say 30. There's one more variable, declare a string called place1. And store any place in it. Just going to say London. Right, it seems like we have all the variables we need. Save the file to see it run. Does it compile without errors? It seems to be okay. Time to read out the story. Use system.out.print. Line. Print the story. Okay. We run that. Okay, so it says here location class 1 madlibs 1 error. Let me just do this underneath here. Sorry. There you go. The system.out.print line must obviously be underneath all the variables being declared. Okay, so this morning probably woke up feeling sick. It is going to be a lovely day. Outside, a bunch of protesters were protesting to keep jobs in stores. They began to run to the rhythm of the beat. which made all the differences very wrong. Concerned, Fabio texted Ruben, who flew Fabio to London and dropped Fabio into a puddle of frozen mud. Fabio woke up in the year 30. I should have put something like, let's just say 2030. No, that was a year. In a world where monarchies rule the world. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so put some white space in your code so that the story variable is hidden, and show your friends the code. Have someone else fill in the variables you have declared with the nouns, adjectives, verbs, and names that they'll like. Then run the code to see a new story get told. Right, so I'm just gonna add some white space in between all the variables. So that my code is readable to other programmers and teammates. I think that's all right. It's pretty readable. All right, so put some white space in your code. Okay, I've done that already. All right, and that's it, guys. Let's move on.